Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new account on the NC Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the NC Wallet app on your device. And once you are taken into the home page, you will see the Create Account button. Go ahead and tap on it. And now you can either sign up with Google or your Apple account. Tap on whichever option you wish to proceed with. And after you have selected your Google or Apple ID, you will then see the Start button. Go ahead and tap on it, and now the authorization will begin. You will be prompted to enter your desired PIN code. Just type in your PIN code that you wish to set, and then type it in once again for confirmation. And now you will be taken into your account right away. Now, from the Wallets page, you will need to tap on the Create Wallet option to create your individual crypto wallets. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the NC Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.